In this video, I will show you how to add your Revolut card in Apple Wallet. To do this, going to open up the Revolut app and click on the card icon in the top right. From there, you will find all of your cards. Just click on any virtual or physical card you want to add to your Apple Wallet. From there, you will see this. Now what you want to do is just click Add to Apple Wallet in the bottom. Then you will see this, so it says Add Card to Apple Pay. Just click Next. Then it's adding the card. You then need to agree to the terms and conditions, so just read it, and if you agree, click Agree. Then it will say Card Added. Then you have the option to set it as your default card, so that anytime you open Apple Pay, it will use this card. I'm just going to click Not Now, but you can do this if you want. And if you now double click on the on and off button, you can now find the Revolut card and use it in store. So that's how to add a Revolut card to Apple Wallet. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.